Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for a new swap. We did our first swap of the year. This is my card. I made 9 of these cards, and you swap with 9 different people. You get 9 different cards back. 2 people, unfortunately, were not able to get their cards in, so I will show you the 7 cards that we did get. So I've got this one. It's got our nice little fold there using the brand new alphabet dies, and that was the theme, was anything from the new mini catalog that just came out that goes live tomorrow. So as a demonstrator, we were able to get some of this stuff before the catalog went live, so we were able to participate in these swaps. But this is a cute one here. Love it. The paper, the designer series paper is beautiful. This is embossed, and then this is a great little label there, and it opens this way. And this one, I love the colors, and it's happy birthday, and it is a 2-layer card with thinking of you on your special day. I guess it's actually a 3-layer card because we've got 1 layer, 2 layer, and then this is a 3rd layer with the little dots. I love them. This one is adorable. This is from that Talk About card. So we've got the little piñata and some nice fringe, some candy falling out, and then the celebrate. These little adorable owls, I just love them. I'm going to be doing a global stamping card tomorrow. That'll come out at 6 a.m. my time, which is Mountain, Arizona time. So if you want to see another card with this little owl, make sure you are subscribed so you can see that. And all the other global stampers will be talking about that as well, the new celebration. So we use celebration items. This was a celebration item that you get free when you purchase $50 or more. You get to choose a free item, and this stamp set, let me see, I have one right here. This stamp set is one of the free items. So how cute is that? And this is the card that she chose. This little cutie, I love the little gnomes. That's coming out in the new catalog. And these little gems are beautiful. It's fun to do the swaps because then you get to see things that maybe you missed as you're perusing the catalog. So this is a cute little Valentine's card. It also is one of my favorite fun folds. And then it says love you with a cute little heart there. That is a great card. And then what we do is we put up all our swaps and we choose our favorite, and then we tally it all up to see who had the most favorites. And this was the favorite. This is that little ice cream sundae stamp set. And if you want to know more about the stamp sets, I will be going over the catalog as soon as it goes live and show you all of my favorites, what's new, and I can't wait to do that with you. So look how cute the little cherry on top is. Beautiful. The straw is sticking out, and then life is sweeter with you. Isn't that just adorable? All right, so that's fun. I got all these different cards, and all I had to do was make 9 of the exact same cards. And it is okay for me because I like my cards when I do them. So even though I have a couple extra of these cards, I always make an extra or 2 when I'm doing these anyways. So I have like 4 extra of these cards. And I love them because I will be able to hand them out to some of you beauties. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for hanging out with me while I go over my card swaps. And I certainly hope to see you again soon. Thank you.